Round of applause, baby, make that
Yep,
earth
it's
clap.
me,
Drop it
CB.
to the floor, make that earth clap. Round of applause, baby, make that earth clap. Drop it to the floor.
What up, what up, what up? It's your girl CB, back with another tutorial with you guys. And I know everybody do these wig tutorials, but I'm coming to you with a full detailed one, okay? This wig is from Sierra Palace, of course. This is our deep wave wig, 13 by 4. Like, look how full that wig looks. But first, I'm going to start off cutting my guides because I like to do things in sections. I don't like to mess up. So when you put everything, you take your time with this, it's going to come out the way you want it to come out. Always use skin protector because it's going to protect your skin, and it's like a thin layer of glue as well. Make sure, don't do it like this, but me, I'm like, when you're a pro, you could just do it. But make sure everything is dried clear before you put that wig down. And I'm just doing my edges, of course. Like I said, sections. You see me working in sections. I'm not glue down everything or rush anything. I want my hairline to be so perfected. Y'all, make sure y'all using that wig dealer spray and the even spray together. Like, it's such a good combo. Make sure everything is completely dry before you move on to the next step. Now, I went back to pluck the hairline on the other side because I felt like one side was plucked than the other, but I didn't get that back in this video. But as you can see, everything came together real nicely. And on top of that, I only put a little bit of baby hairs because I feel like, not everybody has thick baby hairs. Like, I don't know what people be doing with the thick baby hairs, but that's not me. As you can see, looking natural. It looks like mine's growing out the scalp. Like, you can't even front. Like, for real. I'm just hot combing everything, making sure everything, the edge pieces are slick, sleek, and ready to go. Me with my mimosa, of course. Can't do this without my drink. Look at that. Real natural. Like, come get you one of these wigs, 13 by 4 deep wave from sierrapalace.com. Like, for real.